Okay, so the Pythagorean theorem states that if you have a right triangle, then this formula works. However, if you already have the right triangle and you want to, or sorry, if you have a triangle and you want to figure out if it's a right triangle, you can do the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. The converse just means the opposite. So what that means is if you have a triangle and it satisfies this formula, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, then it is a right triangle. I'll give you an example. We have a triangle 3, 4, 5. It says if I square my a, that will give me 9. If I square my b, that's 4 times 4, which is 16. And then if I square my c, that's 5 times 5, which is 25. So if this is true, then we say, yes, it is a right triangle. If this is not true, then we say, no, it's not a right triangle. Well, let's see. What is 9 plus 16? 25. So 25 equals 25. That is true. And because it is true, we say, yes, this triangle right here, my 3, 4, 5, it is a right triangle. So we can let's try this last one. We do 20 squared, which is 400. And then 21 times 21 is 441. If that equals 29 times 29, which is 841, if this is true, we say it is a right triangle. So let's see, 400 plus 441, that is 841. And they are equal. So we say, yes, this is a right triangle. Okay, let's find this next one. 5, 12, and 13. 5 times 5 is 25. 12 times 12 is 144. And 13 times 13 is 169. So we can check, does 25 plus 144 equal 169? And yes, they are equal. So we say, yes, it is a right triangle. Let's see, let's try one more. I'm trying to think of which one might be a no. Let's try 2. So 14 squared plus 23 squared equals 25 squared. And then if you're asking like, which one do I put as A, B, and C if I don't know, the biggest thing is whatever the biggest number is, that's always your C. That's always your hypotenuse. You can mix up A and B and you'll still get the right answer. So 14 times 14 is 196. 23 times 23, 529. And then 25 times 25 is 625. Okay, so now I need to add up these first two, see if they add up to 625. And I get 725. Are those equal? No, so we say this one is not a right triangle.